So as we come into April, it's Stress Awareness Month, and you'll be seeing lots in the on social media and in the press with regard to managing stress. You'll be seeing that I've already put some hints and tips in the Safe Haven group for those that are in there that may help. For those of you that have known me for a few years will know that I'm a great advocate of creativity for managing our stress levels and as a way of maintaining and boosting our mental well-being. So for April, thought of something new. Put together a box with creativity in it. You can send it through, you can send it to a friend if you like, or else for yourself, and it will give you a creative project for the month. So let me share what April is. Okay, so I didn't want to put anything in that was too overwhelming. So I've put together a box for creating a cross-stitch card. So not only can you relax doing some stitching, you can create a card and then you can pass on that good feeling to somebody else as well. So when the box comes, you'll have in there a set of instructions on how to do cross stitch, how to make up the card afterwards, and there's the chart. All you'll need to add is either double-sided tape to create the card, or else you can use Pritt stick. So I've got the card there to put your finished cross stitch in with an envelope so you can send it. You won't have to go searching for a new needle. There is a needle in there as well. Your threads are pre-sorted. You've got that there for doing your cross stitch. You have your aider for doing your design, and a piece of cotton wadding which will fit behind the aperture. It just gives you a nice padded finish to your card, and then you'll end up with a card like this that you can send to a friend. There'll also be a little surprise in there. I'm not going to show you what that is. You'll have to wait until you get one. So it all fits in a nice box, which will go through your letterbox. So it's perfect for sending if you need looking for a gift for a creative friend. Everything will go in there and it will just come in through the letterbox. Ready to unpack and while away a couple of hours to create a lovely card. So I hope you'll enjoy those. There are just a limited number of those, limited to 10 for the first month. If all goes well, I may be able to get small packs put together for you. If you want them sent directly to a friend, do let me know. I can do that for you, and I'll put a note in with a message as well. So, look after yourselves this month. Find some time to unwind. Be creative. And I'll speak to you very soon. Take care.